Continue for construction. I added base. Here will be one room, and I started balcony. This will be balcony, and yeah. Next is here will be kitchen. So here will be kitchen. So we found one bathtub, and we have some coverage. I don't know. Nowadays I cannot progress. Stalled. Work is stalled. There was storm, so it passed the one test of the storm, actually two. Still here, structure. This area seems not well connected. I was suspecting it can flow away, but it didn't. Yeah, there are some strengthening, and yes, rooms and kitchen is on the way. So originally upstairs was living room, but now here will be the living room. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye. Evet. Devam inşaata. Burası alt oda olacak. Şu köşe mutfak olacak. Giriş buradan olacak. Şu lavaboyu ve kapıyı buraya monte edeceğiz. Bakalım. Yani şu an böyle bir durumdayız. İlerleyeceğiz ama bu aralar yorgunum. Bir şey yapmak istemiyorum. Günler de uzadı. Biraz ara vereyim. Özledim çalışmayı. Bir sonraki videoda görüşmek üzere. Bye.